Hi everyone, I don't know what you're doing on this rainy day. I've got a little bit of licorice tea warming me up, sitting by my window. I have a little candle from the Brooklyn Candle Studio. Today we've got fern and moss. It's just a cozy rainy day, and I'm just starting finally to design from all the materials that I got in Tucson. So I just wanted to give you a sneak peek of what I'm working on. This is a necklace that is actually a bead that was left over from the holiday season. We didn't have enough to make more of the necklace, but it's such a pretty bright blue, this Amazonite, that I just threw it together with some, with some of these beads from Ethiopia. It's just gonna be simple. It's gonna be on an adjustable clasp. I like to wear it really short, but other people might wanna wear it longer. So that's a simple little one. And I never planned to do this, but it always happens, so maybe I should just say that I do plan it, because it's what happens. I always end up designing in threes or little series. So again, you can see nothing is finished, but this is how I come up with my ideas. I got all this cool white stuff in Tucson. I had no idea what I would do, but this blue was so stunning. So these guys are probably something like 5 in the middle, I'm thinking. And then I found this Tibetan bead that I've actually had for a long time that has turquoise. It has this really pretty, like, crushed looking white bead. To be honest, I still don't even know what it is. We're in the designing phase where I'm just playing with the materials, and then later I'll learn more about it and figure out what it all is. And then when you come visit us at our kiosk at Grand Central, or if you go onto our website, there we'll have all the information about what it is. But this is I have no idea what it is, but it's pretty phase. And so that's what I'm doing on this rainy Friday. I hope you're cozying up to some tea and you're ready for a good weekend. See you later.